What if you could generate stunning text effects in seconds using AI? Today, we're combining Adobe Firefly's generative power with Illustrator to create professional-grade designs effortlessly. Start by opening Adobe Illustrator and creating a new document. Type your text in a bold, readable font. We're using a 100 pt sans serif. Once your text is ready, select it and navigate to the Firefly generative features in your toolbar. This is where the magic begins. Click the Firefly generative fill icon. Write a detailed prompt describing your desired effect. Try metallic gold text with glowing edges or liquid chrome effect with reflections. Firefly generative power with Illustrator. Text is ready, select it and navigate to the Firefly generative power with Illustrator to creative possibilities and expand your creative possibilities. Select your favorite generated effect and apply it. Use Illustrator's tools to fine-tune, adjust transparency, add shadows, or combine multiple effects. Experiment with blending modes and colors. The AI handles heavy lifting. You control the final polish for a unique, professional outcome. Save variations as separate artboards for client presentations. Export as PNG for transparency or SVG for scalability. Pro tip, combine Firefly effects with traditional Illustrator effects for layered depth. This hybrid approach elevates your designs beyond standard templates. Love this workflow? Subscribe for more AI design hacks like this video, and comment which text effect you create first.